Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Diamond. And today in pattern feature we will cover next pattern definition, circular pattern. So before using this, I have a cylinder and I have one cut. Now I want to pattern circular pattern this cut around the cylinder. So I will choose this pattern feature and now select the feature. This is my feature and change the pattern definition to circular. I'll specify axis is my this z direction, and here we have angular definition direction, and spacing is count and span, number of count, how much count you want, or the angle between angle, how much instance you want between the angle. Suppose I change it to 180, only in 180 6 instance will come in this direction in 180 angle. If I change this 360, the 6 instance will cover in 360 degree angle. Now I want to increase the instance, increase the count, just change it to suppose 15, or I will take as 10. Now preview. So this is the simplest way. Now we have this gradient. In gradient we have this creates concentric members. With the help of this you can create the concentric member, and you can define the number of count as 3. So 3 will come, you can see preview. The gap is a little bit low, so drag a little bit inside, maybe the result will come. Okay, so with the help of this gradient concentric member you can create your pattern inward or outward at the concentric manner. And here we have this incremental definition we can use. This pattern increment we have already covered, and if you want to check out this, just go and limit, and in angular or radial, in gradient add new set and increment the direction as -1 and click OK and preview. The depth will come decrease by 1 millimeter toward inside if you use this option we have already covered in the linear pattern. I have added that video, so if you want to check out this, go to and check the linear pattern. Next we have this orientation method. In this orientation we by default we use follow pattern, so my object will work as per the pattern, and if you change it to same as input, so pattern will change and the object will not rotate with the pattern. My first object is like this and it copies its pattern in the same manner. The object will not rotate with respect to the circular pattern. If you want to rotate with respect to pattern, or you want to follow the pattern, change it to follow pattern. The object will follow the circular pattern. Follow face, we have one follow face, but for this I have to create some face, then only it will work. And pattern setting, stagger is none. Now I want to change it to an angle and see the result. The pattern will come like this. They are not in the same direction. the stagger will come in angular direction. And in this pattern method we have this variational. With the help of this variational you can pattern more than one feature. If we have multiple feature, then you can apply, or you can do just click OK and just select edge blend and click and reduce the radius and click OK. Now I want to reorder this. Just press and drag before the pattern definition. Now I want to edit this. I want to add one more feature. So you can add, because our pattern method is variational, and click preview. The both feature will pattern, extrude and the edge blend. If you will choose this symbol, the edge blend cannot pattern without. So in simple method you can pattern only single feature. If you want to use multiple feature in your pattern definition, you have to change it to variational. Change this variational. Now one feature and one extrude and preview. And click OK. So this is circular pattern. Hope you understand properly.